Hello, good morning student. Today we will see the economic subject. Unit number 8, national income. Topic number 8.7, revenue of capital budgets. The meaning of definition capital budgets. The central budget and provision of divided into two topics. एक revenue budget, second capital budgets. First, revenue budget. Second, capital budget. First, revenue budget. It concerns the revenue receipt and revenue expenditure of the government. Income and expenditure. Revenue receipt are divided into tax and non-tax revenue. Revenue expenditure compromising interest paid of the government, borrowing, subsidies, grant due of the tax governments. Capital budget. The capital budget consists in capital receipt and capital payment. Capital receipt or government loans raise public revenue, Bank of India. Divestment of the equity holding public sector enterprises loan received and foreign government of the other bodies, step deposit fund and patient deposit other factors of capital budgets. The capital payment refer of the capital expenditure, how various of development project, investment by government, loan of the state government and government of companies, corporation and parties. Debt side include of the expenditure, social of community, development, defense of the general service. Topic number 7, types of budgets. First, surplus balance budget. Second, surplus budget. Third, deficit budget. Minus budget. First, balance budget. Government budget set to be balanced, estimate revenue and expenditure in equivalent. This expenditure of the government receipt and government expenditure is equivalent for balance budget. The concept of balanced budget was advocated in classical economics like the Adam Smith. It is considered of nature and the effect of the working economically and hence regarded all the best. However, modern economists believe of the policy balanced budget may always be suitable of economically. The modern government of the welfare interests and means cannot be their expenditure level of the receipt. The balanced budget income and expenditure is equivalent in balanced budget. Second, surplus budget. Income more than expenditure less than in surplus budget. The government budget is set of the surplus in the estimate of government receipt more than and expenditure less than. The surplus budget may be called useful of the during in period of the inflation is the period of the inflation. In the tendency of policy rise rapidly. This need of the check in particularly of interest that the have more than less fixed income. In the rise of the pricing check by lowering level of effective demands of economically. This can be done by increase of the tax use of the paid, increase of the revenue government and reduce of the purchasing power of peoples. As the result of the aggregate demand of the as reading downward to movement of the price in level of the efficiently can be control of the yield. Third, difficult budget. Minus budgets. Government budget set by a difficulty in the income less than expenditure more than. In dissipate budget in the more of the useful of during the periods of the dispersion, rate of the dispersion in economical activities of level, result of unemployment, check of the increase of the government expenditure, bring to money and difficulty of financing years. The increase of the employment aggregate effective demand goods and service of the increase in further of the investment modern times, difficult budget in the economical common of the policy and government. Developing country like of India, other factors of the technical economic development. The importance of budgets. The union budgets of the important because the effect of people economically generally in a member of ways. Tax of the most interesting of party in budgets. Tax determines of the fate of business individual. The level of responsible of income taxpayer upon tax rate of the present in budget. Government expenditure, ways of defense, administration, infrastructure, education and health and other factors. Citizen overall economical budget of importance because the government is the medium of the implementing economic policy. The country budgetary action of the government effective production, size, distribution, income and utilization of the human material and resources of the country. The scope of the importance of public in finance of modern economically underground of the immigration change of the last 100 years. Today we will see the types of budget. Balanced budget, surplus budget, managed budget and difficult budget. Any difficulty of type budget is discussed to WhatsApp group and thank you so much. Tomorrow we will see unit number 9, money market and capital market in India. Money market and capital market of other factors. Thank you so much.